Huh?
What are you doing?
Putting you on the TV.
Putting me on TV?
Yeah.
How do you do that?
Easy. Say party at my
I'll
house.
break your TV.
So I'm having a party at my house tonight. And we're getting wild.
See, this is my cute Ruthie
What are you
here.
gonna drink?
Anything.
Huh?
Anything.
Do you drink anything? What? Whiskey?
No, I don't drink.
Well, I couldn't stand that stuff.
What do you drink?
I
What do you drink? Wine?
like to.
Mad Dog?
Put this in something and I'll take it to the cats
To the cats.
or chickens.
Chickens.
Huh?
What about the cows?
Cows?
Well, yeah.
Well, they wouldn't like,
If you're going to take something for the
they like
chickens.
that bread.
You know, old MacDonald had a farm.
That's right, Ruthie.
Well, but